What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Mark your attendance where you're watching from. Another day, another dollar. You know how we do it on this trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Good to have you all. You pretty. What you saying on me? Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me how is your day moving for you so far. You know how we do it every night. I am trading binary options, and we are starting on the silver OTC chart. Okay, let's see how our sales close. We are already locked in. First atom, first entry goes in our direction. So this is a sign that we are going to anticipate a beautiful night, because why not? Raphael, good to see ya. Good to see you, my friend. Good to have you. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? Guys, tell me how you really spent your day. Okay, let us first capitalize on this pullback. The market has been dropping massively. So this is a pullback. Let's see how it goes. All right, we are already moving. So tonight we are not going to play. Actually, we're so locked in for live. So let's see if we can get more entries. Good to have you all, guys. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? Myself, my day was good. Yeah, I really had a beautiful day. Oh my god, let's move. Damn, oh my god, we get really taken out by such low momentum candles, for Christ's sake. Damn, such entries can really pain. I don't like when my entries are really taken out by just low momentum candles. But let us move more. Let us move. Outside of forever, so you, I miss you more than life. I wish someone could sing me this song, but if they can't, I can do it for myself. Guys, mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. I'm not seeing you guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how did you spend your day today? How are you spending your day? I miss you more than life. I settle for the ghost. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, guys, structure is bullish. So let's move. Let us add more moves. Jabram, good to see ya. Ishmael Khan, good to have you, my dear. Yeah, let's move. Let's move, guys. Legit bees only. Good to have you. Damn. You get taken out. But guys, can you see the night is already moving smoothly for us? We're already moving well. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Raphael, tell me, how did you guys spend your day today? This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask me any trading question. Yeah, we're always here catching up good vibes and also sharing as traders. So while you're on the stream, don't forget to have a notebook, because I'm always sharing my tips from my own trading experience, mechanical tips at that. If you're not mechanical, then what are you doing in the market? Just went viral. Channel A. Alright guys, the broker I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. Yeah, and I am trading binary options. You're free to ask any trading question. Traders from wherever you're watching, mark your attendance. I want to know if you're locked in or not. Guys, while you're here, as you're watching me, don't forget to lock in, because if you don't lock in, how are you gonna get the results? Trading is a skill that you build, so the earlier you lock in, the better. Sugar Tape, good to see ya. Hey, damn, oh my god, our sales are invalidated. So let's see if we can get more, because the market is still bearish, the market is still dropping. Let's see how it goes. Sit down. Charles is asking, can you teach us how price action works? Yes, I am going to teach you. Just let us just wait for a few guys. I don't want to leave anyone behind. Yeah, so in a few minutes, I'm gonna get into the strategy. What, guys, it's always the same strategy, price action. You know, with trading, if you get something and you have to be consistent with it to know that to find out if it's going to work for you or not. Yeah, so you cannot, like yesterday, because I'm seeing you asking from a perception of yesterday we're trading with price action. You don't expect me to come today and I have switched up a strategy. No, 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 no. In trading, consistency is also important, and it comes with all the confluences you're following. It's not just being consistently showing up every day. It also needs you to be consistent with your strategy. Unless you're sure it is not really working out for you, but if it's giving you results, then you have to be consistent, even on the days when you take a few losses, because really losses are part of trading. That's why trading is risky. Some losses are really very much hard to avoid, but you can really avoid losses that come with risk management, poor risk management, poor market discipline. Such you can avoid. Do you have classes? I'm always here on the stream to teach you guys anything you want to know about trading. Yeah, so classes are here. We are always here catching up good vibes and also learning as traders, because why not? And dropping more and more videos about my trading knowledge on this channel. So just look in. Andrews, good to have you. Shafiq, good to see ya. Guys, I trade with candlestick patterns. I do not trade with chart patterns. I know chart patterns are part of price action, but me myself, I don't include them in my strategy. So, and candlestick patterns, like I always say, I follow engulfing candlestick patterns, that is bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. Both can be reversal or continuation patterns to follow, continuation signals to follow in the market, depending on where you have seen them. That is where you tell the difference. For example, if you are in a bearish trend, and you have had a bullish pullback, then you spot a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, that is a sign that the market is going to continue with its direction, which is a bearish trend. Yeah, so in that case is That is a continuation signal. So basically, that's how I really apply candlestick pattern based with market knowledge, and I execute entries. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, ring, ring. Guys, when it comes to trading capital, you can really start with any amount you have. But from my own trading experience, me when I was just starting out, it was really hard for me. I'm not saying that I didn't trade small accounts, but it was really hard for me to really grow them. Yeah, actually, when you're just starting out, your market knowledge is not really actually that deep that you can really handle a small account. So it can get a little bit hard. But anything that works for you guys is what you should stick with, because trading is also personal. Everyone has, at the end of the day, their own experience they get from the market. Same market, different eyes. That's the deal. Yeah, we can be all looking at the same market, but trust me, the eyes are going to be seeing something different based on your strategy, based on what you want to see. Yeah, so at the end of the day, it is always you against the chart. You don't make it Let's move. And guys, you're free to ask me any trading question. Don't hesitate. This is a trading assembly where we share trading knowledge. Yeah, and guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? Did you look at your charts? Emmanuel, you're saying that because of YouTube time lag? That's why our charts are not the same. Because of that, there's a delay. So while you're on the stream, focus on learning and focus on asking trading questions. Yeah, so let's move like that. I just miss this baby. You don't make it ring. I can't keep it on the low. Continue marking your attendance. Where are you watching from? Shukrant, good to have you, my dear. Honestly, I'll never tell. I look to you as a fan, and now you're in my way. Pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, red sheen skin was showing. So right. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. Okay. I'm seeing someone from Brazil. Good to see ya. Sugar Tech from Kenya. Good to have you, my dear. Okay, someone is asking, Charles, what you're asking? Yes, you can execute based on a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern if you see it in a bearish market, but you have to also first understand market structure. For example, if you're from just having a bullish pullback in a bearish trend, then that pullback you have spotted, it has not broken the previous high, then it gives you immediately a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. You are very much free to execute based on that signal because it is strong. Yeah, basically that's it. Not every time you see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, guys, you're supposed to execute. With using candlestick patterns, they are valid if you see them in key areas. Oh my, one of our entries is taken now, guys. Let's see, let's get more moves. Let us get more moves. So call me maybe. Try to chase me. To slow down. All right, good to have you. Good to have you all, Raquel. I see you. Cameroon, good to have you. Justin, the wind blew. Oh my, good to have you. Someone is asking which structure. Structure, guys, I mean market structure mainly. The market structure, we all know the market does not move in a direct curve. It moves in a corrective way. So that corrective way of moving up, then it corrects itself, then it goes up again. That is what is called market structure. What it's doing, it's market structure. You can have a bullish market structure when the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, and bearish market structure when the market is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. Basically, that's it. Cameroon, day 7 of 30. I'm glad you're making progress. I'm glad you're making progress. Yeah. Believe me, the more you start it in, the more you write down your trading plan, guys, the more it gets easier for your brain to really follow it on that chart. Of course, it reaches a point in your trading when you're not going to really write it, but if you're just starting out, it's really crucial to write the things you're going to follow in the market. Somehow your brain is locked in to look out for those things. And if you find yourself not looking at those things, somehow your brain will be telling you you're doing something wrong. You're going against your own self. Yeah, so it's going to help you with your psychology, trading discipline, and also consistency, guys. Because I mean, if you're writing the same thing every day and you're trying to follow it, that is consistent. I don't smoke Colorado. Yes, Justin, I follow price action. And be sure for me, I'm dropping more videos. Yeah, guys, in my free time, I'll be shooting some content. So more videos are dropping soon. We're not leaving anyone behind. As long as the markets are here, guys, we are locked in for life. Yeah, so the thing is to just get the information, practice on your charts. That's how we're gonna be moving. Raka, I'm going to get into your question. I'm gonna answer you. Please don't spam comments. Oh my god, David, that's so crazy. David is saying understanding the market is hard, it is squeezing your brain. That's true, that's true. My darlings, I'm gonna get into the key zones. Give me some. Let us first look in this. Let us first look in these entries. Damn. One entry is invalidated, but you are still moving smoothly. David, one thing I can tell you, it's true when you're just starting out to understand the market, it's hard. But if you're finding it so hard to do it on your own, you can really get a mentor, or you can really get a trading community where you can talk to fellow traders. You're free to share your experience. I mean, the more you share here with us, guys, the more you're gonna get helped, because I mean fellow traders are watching, so Yeah, you can even get someone telling in a comment. I'm going to share with you myself because I mean, I've been there. I know. I know what I understand what you mean. Okay. I see the look on your face. I see you hiding it. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna go on a date? You wanna go out on dates? You want somebody to bring you flowers, someone to talk for hours, wash your back while you're sitting in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you you mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day. You don't got a reason. You want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep. Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Thank you, Kay. All right, for all those that have been asking about key zones to use the candlestick patterns, guys, we all know I'm speaking the key zones based on price action strategy. You know, the key areas that we spot in the market are really based on our trading strategies. What can be my key zone as a price action trader could be totally different from, could be a different key zone. I mean, another trader using another strategy out there would be seeing a different key zone. Now, for me as a trader, my key areas that I always look out for whenever I am trading to apply candlestick patterns are really market structure areas. Like I always said, you guys, if you're in an uptrend, the market is anticipated to move in series of higher highs and higher lows. And with that at the back of your mind, you also know that in an uptrend, the market is continuously breaking the previous highs. So if the market breaks the previous high, you're going to anticipate a pullback. So the first signal you can get a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern at the top of an uptrend. That is a key area for you to start anticipating sellers in the market, because we all know bearish engulfing candlestick patterns are reversal moves to show you that bears are coming into the market. You can wait for more confirmation, or you can just take a trade based on that, especially if you've seen the market has just broke structure. And to make for an engulfing candlestick pattern to be valid, the body of the previous candle has to be fully covered by a red candle, not leaving anything out. I mean, the wick, the body, everything has to be covered out. That's how you know the bearish. That's what makes the candlestick pattern to be valid. So if you're not seeing that you're not seeing it is not covered, it's covered halfway, please don't assume. So that is the first key area you can use a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. And you can also use it as a continuation pattern when you are in a downtrend and the market has just pulled back. Then it gives you it prints that candlestick pattern again. That is a sign that the market is going to continue downwards. Raquel, let me hope you've got that. Let me hope you have really got that. So that's how you can use it both as a reversal and a continuation pattern. And it is also valid for a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. You just have to just do the opposite of what I've said. They call me Shorty's a mega con. It ain't about the race either, it's a marathon. I put the squeeze on him, the beast on him. That ass clapping on the D, Hercules on him. My name is Daddy Daddy. So basically, guys, that's how you really can apply candlestick patterns. That's why I told you guys, whenever you have a strategy, it has to follow a certain order, because you cannot just come out of nowhere and you start looking for candlestick patterns and you just start trading them. They have to be backed up with something. So understanding market structure, it's going to help you to really base your entries on candlestick patterns because now you understand that yes, the market is giving us bullish structure. So what am I supposed to do to either take a continuation path, a continuation trade, or a reversal entry? That's it. You're supposed to follow your strategy in a certain order. For more confirmation, guys, the things I'm saying here are for are basically for traders that prefer to trade with confirmations. Yeah, confirmation traders. Basically, that's what you do. You look out for different confluences. Your pussy pricey. Why aren't you using Brent oil today? Is it a crime? No, guys. It's not like I only trade Brent oil. I already trade pairs that are moving. I go with what is moving in the market, guys. You do not have to force. If a pair is not moving, please don't force trades out of it. You can always switch. You can always switch to another entry. That's how it is. That's how it is. Samuel, good to see ya. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Continue marking your attendance where you're watching me from. You've logged in late. You're not late. You're just on time. Good to have you, my dear. Good to have you, my dear. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Tell me, guys, how did you spend your day today? Guys, oh my God. If I'm trying to tell you how I spent my day today, just need some loyalty, someone who can ride for me. I had random visitors, guys. Crazy. And it's not like they're the kind of visitors you would tell go back if you're really not willing to receive them. But anyways, I didn't feel like receiving any visitors, but I had a great time with them. Yeah, I actually rarely get visitors. But anyways, it's a Sunday. Maybe people felt like checking on me. So basically, that's how I spent part of my day. Yeah. So guys, tell me, how did you spend your day? And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question, guys. Don't hesitate. This is a trading assembly. We have to all be locked in. So feel free to ask anything. Damn, oh my God. We're taken out. Give me some loyalty, someone who could ride for me. Give some loyalty, give up on me. Guys, I'm using the indicator with the default settings. And reminder, I do not only trade with the indicator, guys. I back it up with my trading strategy. Yeah. All right. I'm glad I can see you guys are moving well. And good to have you. Good to have you. Girlfriend.
We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond rings, mentioned earrings, everything was so cool. Lady baby been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you.
The market is really dropping hard. It's dropping hard. Let's wait and see.
Still remember how I approached you. I think I loved you before I knew you. No, we be fucking before I screwed you. Made a promise I won't lose you. Play my cards right, I won't lose you. Got them tuning like I'm YouTube. Got some on me like it's voodoo. I go lose you, you go Google. Lose my cool now. Man, I know that she was wrong. I shouldn't have did what I did.
Classes the whole day. As it should be, as it should be.
I gave you X, I tried to buy in. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did. It'll take me back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would.
Guys, let's keep selling this market. Let's see how it goes. Because why not? The easiest way you can trade as a trader is following the trend, especially if you're still a beginner. Damn! Oh my god. Them buyers have invalidated our entry, guys. Oh my god. This seems like a very deep pullback. The market may not come back, so let us wait and see, because this was some good momentum from buyers. Let's see, let us watch.
Thinking about the shit I did, like how the hell I get myself involved in this bullshit. Married to the game, I can't make you my fiancé. Sad young boss, bitch, she look like Beyonce. But damn what them bras say, I fuck them all the birthdays. Why you tripping anyway? Like when I
There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using for all those that are asking.
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other
Everything.
I even went and bought a diamond rings, mentioned earrings, everything was so cool.
Yeah, you can see the market is really switching structure. Yeah, I wasn't really anticipating it to really come back after that strong momentum from down. Yeah. Okay, we beautifully moving. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? This is a trading assembly. And you're free to ask any trading question. You're gonna let's be honest. Let's be real. You ain't got no cash. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let's be real. Yeah, guys, whenever you're also trading, you have to also understand momentum. You have to also understand momentum and how you can use it to your advantage in the market. Yeah, if you have really been in a trendy market and you have not been seeing the opposing side coming into the market, once you get some big momentum from them, that can also be a signal to start anticipating their participation in the market. So with trading, you have to really lock in for live and being consistent. It's how you're going to really be watching the market and start seeing that difference and observing such moves. Yeah, sometimes you may not find that information anywhere. You just get it yourself by just being a market participant yourself and being consistent in that market. Today I've learned engulfing candles. Tomorrow let's get another. Oh, all right, all right. Of course, we always have something to learn. Like I said, as long as the markets are still here, guys, we are locked in for life and we are still learning more and we are still getting the bag because why not? Mm, yeah. Let's be real. Let's just be real. Let's be honest. Let's be real. Let's be real. Guys, I'm using the Inketter with its default settings. How do you learn this? Guys, me when I was learning how to trade, I learned from almost everywhere. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I really learned. I really learned trading from everywhere. So if you really want to learn, you can learn from this stream. You can watch my videos, and even you yourself, just being part of the market, you can really learn something from your just looking at the market yourself. That's why I always tell you guys, if you're really a trader, please lock in, look at your charts. Just look at your charts, because even you yourself, you can learn something by just looking at charts. You can observe something because you know the markets, every moment is unique. Every candle that is printed is just happening. Some moments are very unique and new to the market, so sometimes it is upon you to catch those moments yourself because you're really participating in the market. Me too. You learned every damn thing. Actually, when you're starting out to trade, okay, I don't know now because right now I'm not really learning. By that time when I was starting out to learning how to trade, I didn't even know that having a trading strategy existed. Actually, I only got to know that traders have trading strategy when I got a mentor. At first, it was just me learning anything that I could come across. But with time, I realized I need someone to align my head to put everything right. The pair I'm trading is Silver OTC, guys, for all those that are asking. I do not have a WhatsApp group. I have a Telegram channel. I want to have my entire community. So if you want to join, there's a link in the description. All right, guys, just lock in.
can sing. Shorty a little body, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the shawty.
Shorty be catching mood swing.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover. It's on kiss and tell. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
My name Mama Nasty.
I see the pussy through the panties. She tastes like
Guys, I am trading binary options, and one thing I can tell you, with binary, we are not really affected by news that much. So our market doesn't really get so affected with the news.
Get off your niche, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need. From Chanel to Celine, and show you to the side. Valentino, yeah, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt.
So let's watch for another move. Let us watch for another move.
So I backed out and laid it on your breast. I put you in an Uber and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Shorty a little body, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the shawty.
Shorty be catching mood swing.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover, cause I'm kissing tell.
You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing, I ain't even gon' lie. 4 round 10, even booties on your thighs. You're the only bitch can make me spin off on the guys, and the only bitch that make me wanna know when I'm inside. It's your vibe. Even me, you getting tired. Honey, bitches fucking with you, even if they try. See, I'm tsunami, I ain't never felt they try. But my eyes while I sleep, hope you be there when I wake.
Guys, we are adding more cells because you can see structure is bearish, but it seems like buyers want to take us out. Oh my god, damn. Let us see if we can get another move.
It's me and you.
Keep it silent, ain't nothing we can't do. Through the storm, baby, we can make it through. Why you acting brand new? You know you my little gotta from my
Yeah, Suba is moving tonight. It's really moving well. It has been moving well. So let's see how it's gonna be moving. So far, so good.
I'ma bring her out when I get my family. Late night sex, she can find panties. Couldn't hold it in, now she need a panty. Shorty a little patty. She my little boo thing.
And shorty got the shawty.
Shorty be catching mood swing.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers.
And I kept it on the cover, cause I'm kissing tell.
Guys, while on the stream, you cannot really follow my trade because of the YouTube time lag. While you're here, just focus on learning. Yeah, there is a delay in the because of YouTube time lag, so let us focus on that. Of course, donations have to happen because why not? You guys enjoy and love donations, so that's why we still do them. So in a few we're gonna get to them, but for now let us first be doing our personal trading. It's good to see you, Uzi. Hey. I know you always on the night shift. Hey, explanation. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Rod, good to have you. You're not late, you're just on time. Natures, how are you? How are you doing? Algamin, AI Gaming. Oh my god. Guys, start spacing those names. AI Gaming Promotion, good to have you. What's up? What's up? Guys, our queue is ready. Our queue is ready. Studying candle patterns. That's nice. Are you able to apply them on the charts? When it comes to candlestick patterns, you have to look. You can trade with them when they are in key areas. Yeah, you can trade with them when they are in key areas because not every time. Because every time the market is prints a candle. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Every time the market prints a candle, it's going to appear like a candlestick pattern, but you have to follow them based in the key areas you're seeing them. Okay, I'm glad you're satisfied, Shaf. I'm glad you're satisfied, Shafiq. Guys, whatever we learn, don't forget to practice them. Don't forget to practice them. You have to sit. Now everyone who learned the candlestick, the engulfing patterns that we have been explaining, make it your point to go and sit on your charts, look for key areas, look for them and see if they are really, you can really apply them. That's how you build your skill. You learn something, sit on the charts for about 2 hours just looking for that particular thing. That's it. That's how your trading skills is going to grow.
Tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life for me? Would you be there to always hold me down?
Superman, if you want to take part in the donations, there's a donation link in the description down there. You can use that. Or you can write to me via Telegram. You'll be guided. Someone is asking about confluences of support and resistance. And if I could and be strong. My strategy, I do not apply support and resistance in my confluences. Yeah, but one thing I know about support, it is what holds the market when it gets down. And resistance is where the market bounces from top and gets down. Basically, that's it. Of course, I know it in detail, but I do not apply it in my strategy. You know, guys, with trading, you have to minimize. Don't complicate. If you have about 3 confluences, follow that and just be consistent. All right, so I'm saying we just know we are chats, we sleep chats, everything chats. That's how it should be as a trader for you guys. All right, guys, let us first lock in our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations. Let us lock in our profits. You know how we do it as a trader. You have to secure You have to secure your profits. If you don't secure, it may hurt you bad. If I got locked away, would you still love me the same? Okay, we get to our participant for tonight. Love me the same. Would you still love me the same? Guys, let us try to cruise with this down momentum. And for all those asking about my candlestick time frame, it is 5 seconds. My expiration is 15 seconds. Oh my God, this has really moved fast in our direction. First attempt locked in. All right, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. 2 attempts locked in. Let me see you type congratulations. Season change and the love went cold. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Run away. Okay, let's move on to our next. Market been dropping. There you go. So let us keep dropping it. Oh my God. Damn, we get taken out by a pullback. Damn. Oh my God. You know how we do it? If I take an L on the first attempt, I try again, I refund and try again. So let's do that. And the blue lines, guys, you're seeing it is Keltina channel, not Bollinger Bands. I saw someone asking about that. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? We are still dropping down. So let's see. Future come close to me, share
Ain't going wrong when she supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And all the money niggas when they supposed to pay. Oh, the house go for me.
Guys, we are locked in. Our souls are locked in. That's why I'm always telling you guys, trading with a trend is it's the easiest way you can really get those profits. But it's not always that the market is really trending. That's a fact. I have to be telling you these things, guys. It's not like every day the market is trending. But if you really catch on a good trend, it's better to follow it. And there is nothing like an overbought trend or oversold trend. If it's still falling, follow it. Yeah, and when you spot a also pullback entry, don't hesitate to take, because as a trader you have to really take on the risk. That is why it's called trading, and that's why it is risky. What do I need to know to start this? First, I am trading binary options. Yeah, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, which is Pocket Options. So if you're a beginner, you can create an account so that everything we share here, you can really practice it on your trading account. All right. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participants. Hey, very grocery. Everything good like it's supposed to be. Y'all chick come close to me. Hey, you're supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. All my niggas close to me. All the money nigga when they supposed to be. The house go for me. Share your the insider tricks. Guys, actually all the tips I give on this stream, they are the mechanical tips you can really use for your real life trading. Yeah, because you do realize I do not just come and show you that the market is moving up and down. I give you those mechanical tips you can apply in your trading. The only thing you have to do is to be consistent. The mechanical thing I can tell you about market structure, you only confirm a break of structure when there's a candle closure. That is insider tip, guys. Because if someone does not tell you a strong point of market structure is candle closure, you may just see a weak taking out either a previous low or previous high, and you think that the market has really shifted structure. But if you don't see candles closing above or below that structure break, you may get trapped. All right, beautiful. Let us look for a second, third attempt. Candle closure is basically a candle closing with its body. You see the candle has closed with its body or part of its body up above that previous high. That is a valid structure break. We are left with one attempt. Cameron. So let's look for Bree. What? It's a shame. It's gang. Hey. Mm-hmm. I can never put it into words.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl. That's what it's for.
What you say?
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of other bitches in the back. Hey.
I know how to go and get it back, don't I know how to get a bitch back.
All right, guys. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations.
Backing it up. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up. Yeah.
But
Backing it up. Throw that money over here, nigga. That's what the fuck said. I was getting some head. Getting some head. Ran down on the bitch. She almost pissed on her leg. Bitches think they fucking with me. Must be sick in the head. Why don't you chill with the beef? They get some chicken instead.
let me see type, guys. More congratulations to our participants. You should call me cinnamon, Cardi B.
You see who winning, you see who got it, you see I'm still in the back making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it.
Talk about.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of
I may come, I may go, I don't know.
I know how to get a bitch back, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of other bitches in the back.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl. That's what it's for.
Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. I'm gone, inflated, I'm on one. Bang, pop like a long gun.
If you ain't making me noise, get ready, turn up with the big boys. Live your life, that's my choice. Thank you, dear. Guys, my weekend was cool. I like to get on. Oh my god, this is already going. Oh my god, damn. Oh my, and it's already in our direction. These are the worst trades to really take as a trader. When a trade goes against you and it immediately moves in your direction, damn. If you're making a noise, get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live life young, that's my choice. Okay, guys, let us lock in. A drink will be strong. Guys, it's a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. You know how we do it. You're always here sharing as traders, because why not? Yeah, let me get some good news, guys. Did you look at your charts? Anyone that had a good trading day? All weekends for you guys are for chilling, spending quality time with fam. All right, let us type congratulations. Let us type congratulations to Dawn. Yeah, to Dawn. Just wanted one attempt and we are locked in. Guys, reminder, donations are not financial investment. They are just purely for learning purposes. And if you roll me, you will be winning now. Allowed to get to learn. And dream is strong. Not gonna work for me. Mm. Let's move on. Let us look in for our next participant for tonight. Okay, it seems like we have to get another attempt. There's a link in the description for the broker that I'm using, guys. Unforgettable. Do you use 3 running candles? What can I say? I just really focus on, guys, like I always said you, I just follow the strategy and understanding it in an order. So if I see a confluence that is really working, if I spot a signal that has given me confluences that are in line with my strategy, I'm going to just go with that. Yeah. And guys, with trading, you can really use what you're really comfortable with. And actually, the more you spend time in the markets, the more you're going to realize you're also going to start seeing your own things that you can add in your strategy and you refine it more best to your comfort. Mm. Guys, please don't spam comment. I'm gonna get to your comments. Yeah, so let us first look in for another move.
Oh, Nana, look what you done started.
Oh, Nana.
Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, Nana, I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, Nana, if you keep shaking,
Let's move.
oh, Nana,
Put your hands in the air if you love them tonight. Nana. Keep your hands in the air if you spend them tonight.
oh, Nana, oh, Nana.
Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations.
Baby, I'm the one you like, yeah. I'ma give you what you like, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Actually, guys, it's a weekend. Yeah, for all traders that have to set trading goals for a week, this is your time to set those trading goals. Yeah, for all traders that set weekly trading goals, you can use this moment to set your trading goals. Yeah, you also can start planning your trading plan that you're going to be following in a week or daily. Basically, your trading plan, guys, it just needs you setting your strategy, you following it, the discipline you're going to use to follow it, you include your risk management in it, and how you're going to be managing your risk, how to react when you have taken a few losses from the market, when should you stay away from the market, after how much you have lost, after how much have you made for you to stay away from the market, because also actually you can make profits, but if you end up over trading, you may end up donating back your profits, and that is going to really hurt so bad because you're going to get the mentality that the market owes you back that profit. You may end up doing revenge trading. Literally, guys, what I'm sharing is just from my own trading experience. I've experienced all those moments, and stating those things by writing them down or having somewhere that I can look at whenever I'm trading, it really helped me to improve my trading and my trading psychology at that. That's how you can really work with your psychology. You know, trading is risky and we'll be dealing with real capital. So you have to find ways of controlling your emotions. So the week is starting, you can plan for all those things, guys. Nana. First attempt locked in, because why not? You're free to ask any trading question, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We move on to our second attempt. Yeah, 2 more attempts left.
I'm at a place for trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times
Oh my god. Oh my god, our sales have been invalidated by them buyers. Oh my. Sorry about that, guys. Damn. That's crazy. Sorry about that, guys. This is a part of our game, but crazy. And sellers are still in the market, so it's a pullback that took us out. Damn. You're welcome, my dears. Okay. Cameron, what do you mean? What do you mean? Mohammed, good to see ya. Good to see ya. It's not the buyer's fault and seller. Buyers and sellers don't control the market. I mean, buyers and sellers move the market. It is just our psychological bias that keeps moving the market. If I want to buy and someone up there is selling in the same area, that's why you can see a red and green candle. Yeah, that is how the market moves. Based on traders' psychology, what they are feeling towards a certain move. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. For all those that want to write to me, feel free to use that. Guys, we are locking in for our second attempt. Someone comment locked in for live. The number of attempts depends on the participant. So if the participants want 10, they include 10 attempts. Guys, everything is done according to participants' rules. They are following. So if you want to know more about the donations, you can check out the donation page, link in the description, or you can write to me via Telegram. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya. Swala la la. Swala la la. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya. Swala la la. Guys, 2 attempts are locked in. Let me see you comment. Congratulations. Let me see you comment. Congratulations. Liquidity moves price. But traders are the liquidity. Traders are the ones that provide liquidity for the market. Yeah, and traders are either buyers or sellers. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Locked in for life. That's how it should be. As long as the markets are still here. As long as the markets are still here, guys, we locked in. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya. Swala la la.
Drink. Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Drink. Swalla la la. Drink. Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky.
My girl never fell nothing word to the Dalai Lama. He know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano. He cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no. I'm that bitch and he know. I got wife in these thoughts. You don't get wins for that. Have another good year. We don't get blimps.
You guys talked about liquidity. Now it's time I share my trading experience. Let us first see how this trade goes. I share my experience with liquidity. Guys, when I still trading forex with my friends, so let me say if I entered a trade early or I just made a loss and my friend really took the same trade but in the opposite direction and they really made profits, so my friend would just be like, you guys provided me liquidity. You are my liquidity. It is really funny, guys. I don't know if you really find it used to be so crazy because if I open buys and someone takes in the same zone takes sales and my buys close in an L and someone who took sales their sales close in a plus, that is a sign that I provided them liquidity to move the market in their direction. So it used to be so crazy when someone tells you are my liquidity. It's always nice to have a trading community. People you can joke, people you can tell trading jokes and they get it. Anyways, guys, let us look in for another attempt. Second attempt. Structure is bullish. Let's see. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it up. There's getting gone and you're not here. The future that we want is so unclear. But I'm not out until you go. But the odds against me. Yeah, cause I won't hear. You might be right, cause I don't. Hear me, a reason why I have to give you up. Guys, let us see how our buys go. It's like sellers are really playing a part in taking us out. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Our buys have been invalidated. Damn. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Baby, no one can escape. Why did you quit Forex? I just prefer this market. Okay, guys, to be honest, in comparison with trading binary and Forex, from my own experience, binary was easier for me because with binary, I really do not have to wait. You know, with Forex, you can wait for a whole day for a setup. And even when you execute, it takes another few hours for it to work out. And sometimes it may not work out. But at least here, I just open my trade and set my expiration time and move with that. So mainly that is the main reason why I really switched from Forex to be a binary options trader. I just set my expiration time on my entries, and the time is, you really set your own time. It's not like I have to wait for an hour. I just set my entries now. You can see my setup. My entries are expiring 15 seconds. So I have more opportunities to take more entries. Rod. Yeah, guys are here asking me why I switched from Forex to binary. And that is my reason, guys. That's my reason. And I could say I've found more success trading binary compared to Forex, but that is only from my own experience, guys. Every trader has their own experience. So let's move. Of course, we are locked in for life, guys. As long as the markets are here, we're locked in for life. That's how we are moving. That's how we are moving. That's the motion for our trading assembly, guys. As long as the markets are still here, not going anywhere. Such a classic. No, that's really crazy. Hidden billionaire, what you're asking. The indicator I'm using, it's Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. Sometimes it feels like there's three of us in here, baby. So I wait for you to go. And I try to act natural, but you've been thinking about me. And while I wait, I put on my perfume. Okay, let's move. Let's move. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. I am trading binary options, guys. Yeah. Please don't forget me. I know you got history. Ex-girlfriend, I'm trying to be cool. I'm timeline, I'm the same thing. Am I just insecure? I am to believe it's just you and me. Guys, let's move on to our next. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. I don't want to be explaining a move and you guys are not locked in. Just 2 attempts. So let's see how it goes for us. You didn't think about her. I'm gonna mark my territory. Treat my heart just to be. Wow, that was close, but we are moving. Just left with one attempt. Let's see how it goes. I'm just hoping I get this second attempt, guys. What do you think? Because if you get it, it's gonna be some crazy move. So let's wait and see. Right now, I'm anticipating structure shifting bearish, but let us watch and see. So basically, that's what I'm looking at. But push me down, hold me down, spit in my mouth while you turn me on. I wanna take your light inside. Give me down, snuff me out. Hands on my neck while you push it. Okay, the market is moving down as anticipated. Let's move and see. Guys, you're already having movement in our direction. Dang. Okay, type congratulations. Type congratulations. Type congratulations to our participants. This has really locked in so well. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Let me see, type more congratulations, guys. Thank you, Rod. Thank you, Rod. This is a secret that I keep. Until it's gone, I can never find peace. Waste my whole life just to be. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't wanna be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Okay, guys, we are moving again. Okay, first attempt locked in. First attempt locked in. So we just need a second attempt, guys. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Nothing's that bad if it feels good. So you come back like I knew you would. And we're both wild, and the night's young. And you're my drug, bring you into my face, no. Drop down to that bass drum.
I got what you dream about. Nail scratching my back tap. Eyes closed when you scream out and you keep me in with those hips. While my teeth taking those steps.
Let us see the move. I want you forever, even when we're not together.
Scars on my body so I can take you wherever, like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never get.
And the next attempt, you are going on with all the balance. So we have to wait for a move. Let us wait for a move that we show that is gonna lock in a profit. I'm gonna do bad things to you so good. It's complicated.
Hey, I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath melts me like Novocaine. And we are always tired.
Keep it strange. Okay, I'm insane. What you saying? Excuse me. Guys, let me hope you're locked in. We're just looking for one single move, then we lock in. Take you wherever like.
Things that I don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only want to do.
Sellers better move. They see you. Damn. Okay, guys, you have locked in another move. That's how we do it. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Our patience has really paid off. Our patience has really paid off. So let me see you type congratulations. It was worth it after all to wait for a move. Out of my head, am I out of my mind? I only knew the bad things in life.
Don't think that I can explain it. Can I say it's complicated? No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only want to do good things to you so good that you can't explain it. Can I say it's complicated?
Guys, let's move. Just one attempt for this next participant for tonight.
My God, white key in my pocket. You get me better than the devil till I go. Now she asks me if I do this every day.
I say often.
I know that anytime she wrote the wave, not so often. It just down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it.
What a crazy change. Damn. Guys, our trade has been invalidated. Oh my god. You know how we do it. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. That was some crazy move against us. Let us try again. Cameron, you tell us why you love this song. No, you have to look for another attempt, turns out. And guys, while you're here, don't forget to like the stream. If you're really learning something from here, don't forget to like. Okay, let's look for another move. So let us hit 100K likes on the stream. All right. No doubts, no doubts, Cameroon. You just love the weekend. Oh my God, look at this crazy candle. Damn. I'm sorry about that. We get taken out again. Oh my God. I'm sorry about that, guys. Next time better to all the participants that we have not made it, and congratulations to all the participants that we have made it. Yeah, congratulations to all the participants for tonight. And guys, if you want to be a participant tomorrow, there is a donation link in the description. You can use that, or you can write to me via Telegram. Yeah, this is a trading assembly. We are always locked in for live. So make sure you join early tomorrow, 8 p.m. UK time. We are always here. The broker that I'm using is Pocket Options Broker. There's a link in the description for it. I am always trading binary options. If you want a bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet bot. I love you so much, guys. Good night. Let us meet tomorrow, same time. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And don't forget to like this stream, because why not? Good night. Bye.